Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to update Microsoft Office app, Word, Excel or PowerPoint on your Windows 11. So for this guys, first you need to open any Microsoft Office app. For example, I am opening Microsoft Excel in my PC. So just open your Office app. After opening guys, here in the top left side corner of your screen you can get the file option. Just click and open it, and here in the left panel you can get the account option. Just click on it. Okay, and here you can get the option Office updates. If you want to update your Office, just click on update option like this, and here you can get the option update. Now just click on it. It will start checking the update, and if the app update was available, it will update it. Okay, so as you can see guys, now my Office app was currently up to date. So from here you can easily able to update your Microsoft Office app, Word, Excel or PowerPoint on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.